Hi guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. In this video today I'm going to show you how you can create a real estate website for your business. Now in order to create a real estate website you need two things. First is domain and second is website hosting. So when I talk about the website hosting, you can either buy WordPress hosting or you can also buy the cPanel hosting. Let's suppose if you're buying a cPanel hosting, then you can still install WordPress in your cPanel and you can use the WordPress from there. Now here I'm going to show you how you can create a real estate website on the WordPress platform, because basically WordPress platform is very easy to use and you don't need the coding skills. That means you don't need the knowledge of PHP, HTML or JavaScript to work on WordPress. So let's proceed further here guys, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and do subscribe the channel, right? So first go to the browser. I'm opening up the Safari browser here, and we are going to first register a domain and the website hosting. So in order to register a domain and website hosting, I'm going to choose Domain Racer, who is a domain and hosting service provider. So you can either go to the website directly, which is domainracer.com, or you can also search on the Google for the Domain Racer and you will get in the Google search result here. Now this is the website of Domain Racer, where I'm going to register for domain and the website hosting, this is two primary thing required to create a real estate website, right? So when you go to the Domain Racer website, you can see on the top there are two options coming up, which says domain and web hosting. So I will go ahead and click on this web hosting. Now here you can see when you scroll down, the Domain Racer has different website hosting plans available. You can see they have 4 different plans, which is basic, personal, silver and advanced. So as a web developer, I would suggest to go for the advanced one, because you are getting a free domain, which is .in domain and .com also for free. You are getting the unlimited, you can see like the website hosting. That means you can host up to n number of websites, and you can also see you are getting the unlimited bandwidth and light speed technology. That means your website will work really very faster. So here I will go ahead and choose this the hosting plan. Now let's suppose if you want to create only one website, which is single website, then you can go with either the basic or the personal one. These two hosting plans are for the single websites. So as I'm suggesting you to go for the advanced one, so I will select this advanced one and will click on this view more. Now here you can see it's giving you an option to choose the domain name for your for your real estate website. So here I'm giving just a name, that realtyhub.com, and I'm going to just check whether it's available or not. So as you can see, Realty Hub is not available, right? So I'm going to choose here you can see realtyhubonline.com, because this is just an example I'm showing you. Now while choosing the domain, I would suggest to choose that extension.com instead of getting for XYZ or the .net or .info, because .com shows that it's for the commercial use. So this is very good for your business also, and it's good for the SEO purpose also. So I have selected this realtyhubonline.com, and after selecting the domain, click on this continue option, and you can see the plan. In the advanced plan, what exactly are you getting? You can see unlimited web hosting, unlimited SSD storage, which is really very good, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited FTP MySQL. That means you can create up to n number of database and FTP accounts. You are also getting a SSL certificate. This is really very good, that you don't have to buy the SSL certificate from the third party. and you can see you can create unlimited website, email ID. This is also really very good. So now after checking your order, click on this continue option, and now in the next option you can see there are two different options coming up, which is DNS management and the ID protection. So basically DNS hosting, it will help you to create your to make your website work faster, and the ID protection protects your website and your identity also. So if you want, you can use these two, or if you don't want, it's a totally up to you, it's solely your decision. I will then after click on this continue option, and proceeding further, at last go ahead and just review one more time your orders and click on this checkout. And on the next page it will ask for your personal details like your name, your address, phone number, your address, email address also. And at last you can see in the bottom it will ask to create a password and confirm the same password. Make sure this password will be used for the next time when you will log into your account, so do remember the password, and the same email will be used as your account ID. Now after filling up all your information, check this box and then click on this continue order, which is the complete order, right? So this was the first part to register a domain and hosting with Domain Racer. Now I will move to this next part where I will show you how you can go ahead and configure your website hosting and how you can do the WordPress installation in your cPanel. So let's move to the next part, guys. Once you're done with the domain and website hosting registration, then you will have to go back to the Domain Racer website, and you will see there is a login option coming up on the top. So click on this login and use the same email and the password to log into your Domain Racer account at the time when you were creating the account. So just fill in the details like email and the password and click on this login option. Now you will be able to successfully log into your account, as you can see. Now here when you scroll down, you will see I have the shared hosting, which is the advanced one, which I was recommending you to buy, right? Because as I said, as I show you, there are a lot of the benefits with the advanced option. This is the reason I have this advanced option, advanced website hosting. So once you are done with the everything, you will also get a server login details, which is the cPanel login details in your email, and you can log in from here also. So I do already have the cPanel login details from the Domain Racer, so I will directly click on that and click on the link and enter the cPanel credentials and will log into my cPanel account. You can see here, this is the cPanel account I have got from the Domain Racer. So once you logged into your cPanel account, scroll down way down, and you will see in the software section there is an option coming up, WordPress managed by Softculus. So click on this. Now we are going to install the WordPress in our cPanel hosting account. Now you can see here WordPress management. So there is two option coming up, install and scan. So click on this install option. Now it's giving a prompt for the installation. So let me explain you properly how this installation will work. So you can see the version, it should be the same as it is, so don't make any changes here. Now the URL, it's your domain, the domain you have registered with the Domain Racer. So choose the same domain you have registered. This is the domain I already had with the Domain Racer, so I didn't buy any new one, and I'm showing with the current existing domain which I have. Now here the site name will be it's your website name. That means it's real estate, right? Now the site description shows what is your website about. You can write some short description about your website, about the services you are offering. So let's say it's we are providing renting and buying services, right? So this is just an example I'm showing you here, and you can you can provide the description according to your needs. Now here when you scroll down, you will see this username and the password, so I will keep admin, and admin is the same username and the password also, and this is the admin email to log in into the WordPress account in the future. Now you can see the language, it should be English. If you want to change it to the Hindi or any other language, you can select from there. Now scroll down very bottom, and for now just select this select the right theme according to your real estate website need. So you can click on this show all theme, and from you can see here there is an option coming up all, which will show all type of websites. So you can choose the real estate from the list of the templates. These are the themes which are available, from where you can choose, you can select the right theme for your real estate website. So you can see when I selected the real estate, there are three different themes came up, which is property broker and this art while build and all. So I will select the first one, and you can see what are the pages you will get in this theme. So here you can see the contact us, about us, homepage, and the properties, right? So I will select this theme and we'll go ahead and click on install. Later on you can change, because I will move to the third part where I will show you how you can customize your website. So that's not a problem. If you don't like this theme, if you want to change your theme, it's totally fine. You can choose later on any other theme which you think that this is best fit for your website, and you can install. So as you can see, it's checking and doing the installation of the WordPress and the theme also. That means the two jobs will be done at the same time. It will install the WordPress as well as the theme. So it will be the second part. After completing the second part, I will move to the third part where I will show you how you can customize your website. That means how you can edit your header, footer, and give the right look to your website. Now you can see it's showing that the installation is completely done. Now it has given two different URL. The first URL, if you open, it will show you your website. That means the theme which we have installed just now. You can see this is how the website will look like. Isn't it attractive? Yes, I guess so. It's really very attractive here. Now the second link here, you can see it's showing it will be the link to do the editing in your website. That means it will be the dashboard of your WordPress. You can see from where you can make the changes in your website. Now this is the website, how it looks like. As you can see the services, everything is coming up here, right? You can go to the bottom part and you can see how the website will look like. And this is the dashboard from where we can make the changes to our website. Now as the installation part is done, so I will move to the next part to show you how we can go ahead and do the editing. That means we can customize our website, we can make the changes in the footer, header part, we can change the phone number, we can change the email addresses and the contact details, everything. So let's move to the third part here. So guys, now we are done with the WordPress installation and the theme installation also. Now we will move to the next part, which is to customize the site, and this is the last part. So you can see in the WordPress dashboard, when you are done with everything, you will get an option customize your site. So click on this customize site, and if you want to take a look how the website is looking like, as you can see here, this is the way how the real estate website is looking like. So we can do the changes here. We can go ahead and make the changes in the phone. You can see the phone number coming up on the top, email address and everything. So when you click on the customize site, you will see at the left side there are a lot of the options coming up where you can go ahead and do and make the changes to your website. So on the top you can see coming up header, footer, template and pages. That means click on this, and in order to make changes in the header part, click on this header, Now it will redirect you to a different page, which is the header editor. Now you can see when you move the mouse, it is giving you option to change the details of your website and make the changes. So in order to make the changes, let me change this phone number. So here, if I click on this phone number, I can simply go ahead and here change the phone number, right, by clicking on this. Now here just type in any phone number, like I'm just giving any random phone number to make sure it's coming up or not, right? So as you can see, it's existing phone number coming up, so I'm going to remove that, and now I'm going to put the new phone number here, like call this number, right? And you can see, if you want, you can put it on the center. You can see you can give the left look or the right look. It's totally up to you. So let me put it at the left itself, so no more changes. Now if I want to make changes in the email, again click on this plus, the edit icon, come down and remove the existing email and put your email address, which is, I'm giving my email here. You can see computertricks3929@gmail.com, right? And that's it. So if you want to make changes in the menus, you can do that as well, right? If you want to add any section here, you can just move the widget. You can drag the widget here. So edit title is done. Now let's suppose any changes you want to do here, anything you want to add more, you can scroll down. There are a lot of the varieties you can edit on. You can see, if you want to give a new title, you can click on this, and if you want to change any icon, if you want to provide any badge, if you want to just give a box, a rich text to type something, you can just drag from here and drop here, right? And in the same way, you can see on the top, if you want to give a raw or any column or inner raw, you can do that as well. So this is it was a header part. Now here you can see it's coming up the social media icon. If you want, you can change the social media icon also from here, right? Now I think this is all I wanted to make changes in the header part. And let me change the name also. So here, if you click on this to change the name, right, it should come up here. You can see how it looks like, right? And it's a text color and everything you can change. So after changing everything, you can click on this update option, right, and then click on close. If you want to change the logo, you can click on this logo style and you can change from here. And if you want to put the site description, you can enable this and you can put the site description also. So it was the part to edit the header. Now if you want to change the footer part, you can click on this, and again it will redirect you to a different page where you can go ahead and make changes to your footer part. Now you can see it's accessible here, where we can go ahead and change and make update the footer part here. In the same way, you can make changes to the email here, and you can make changes to the phone number. Everything you can do from here itself. So I believe, guys, this is all in this video. I have covered how you can buy domain and hosting, how you can install the WordPress and theme, and how you can customize your website. Now if you still have any query, guys, you can just go ahead and write in the comment section, and I will be there to answer for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Cheers.